What's the meaning of archway? Archway. Archway.
Archway. Archway. An archway is a structure consisting of a curved or pointed opening that spans across a wall or passageway. It is often used as an architectural element to provide support for the weight of the wall or roof above it, while also creating a decorative or functional entrance between two spaces. Archways can be found in various forms, from simple rounded arches to more elaborate designs with complex patterns and decorations. They are frequently employed in both interior and exterior design, adding a touch of elegance and grandeur to any space.